host. Welcome. Today, we're going to talk about compound interest, what it is, and how you can use it to make your money grow. But before we do, don't forget to go to the description below and click on that link. And there you'll get a free PDF with 3 critical principles to financial freedom. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell up there so that you can get notifications for my weekly videos. Okay, so compound interest. What is it? Compound interest is really simple. It's the idea that you can take that extra money that you have when you've balanced your budget and you can put it in some kind of investment that earns interest. That could be a stock, a bond, a mutual fund. I am not going to tell you where to put it because I'm not a financial advisor, but in later videos, I'm going to tell you all about those different investment products so that you could choose one that works for you. Then your money is going to earn interest year after year after year, and it's going to grow exponentially. There is a mathematical formula for this, and it's pretty complicated. I do teach it to all my students since I'm a tutor, and I call it the get rich formula. They love it, and it's really fun, and it helps them in school too. But don't worry, I'm not going to teach you any math today. Today, I'm going to show you a very cool website where it will do compound interest calculations for you. That website is called investor.gov. I like this website because it's from the United States government. It's not a private company, so they're not going to scam us or hack us or ask us to buy anything. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see investor.gov, and go ahead and pause this video, open up a new tab, go to investor.gov with me so we can do this together. Okay, here I go. Here is investor.gov. From the United States government, official website. Go down to financial tools and calculators and click on the compound interest calculator. Here it is. You can do this all day, every day. Enter in different numbers, check out different scenarios, and watch yourself get rich. Just for a simulation today, we'll start with an initial investment of $0. We'll go with a monthly contribution of $200. I think I could do this by filling out online surveys every month. I'll go for 40 years. I'm 42 years old now, so hopefully I will live another 40 years. The interest rate I'm going to put in is 7%. I'm going to tell you a little more about why I chose this number later, but 7% is a pretty reasonable number to put in. 0 variable range and compounded annually. Da, 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 da. The results are in. In 40 years, we will have almost $500,000. Wow, that's pretty cool, right? Here's this great graph, and it shows us the amount of money we put in. That's the blue line. And how our money grew, that's the red line. Wow. Notice this red line is a curve that represents exponential growth. So the longer you keep your money in, the better it is. You want to start early too. After 40 years, we will have put in almost $100,000 and we'll have made almost $500,000. Now you might be thinking, okay, Julie, this is all cool, but I don't have 40 years to wait. All right, we'll just even look down here. After 20 years, you've put in $50,000 and you have almost $100,000. You've doubled your money. This is way better than leaving your money under your mattress or even in a bank account like a checking account or a savings account. So definitely check out this compound interest calculator on investor.gov and watch your money grow. So that's the basics of compound interest. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go to the description below for the link to the free PDF I created. It's got 3 critical principles to getting to financial freedom. Also, don't forget to click that notifications bell at the top if you'd like notifications for my weekly videos. And I'll see you next week.